Take a ride in the 2019 AMG GT. The Mercedes-Benz AMG GT can be summed up in 3 words: luxurious, fast, and agile. This vehicle is certain to turn plenty of heads and leave you begging for more time behind the wheel. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.